In this video, we will learn how to install Editor in your Windows machine. A quick thing about Editor, it's developed by me on C Sharp and .NET framework. This is my website. I will provide link in the description box. From here, go to Add Zone and Downloads. Here we can see Editor and a quick snapshot, and we can see uh, 5-step installation here. So first is click download. It will open in the new page. Now click clone and download zip. It will download a zip file. Download complete. Now show in folder. Extract files. Extract here. Okay. You will see editor hyphen master folder. Open it. Then editor text editor and setup. Double click the setup. Click install. And here we go. The editor is installed in your PC. Okay. You can do basic stuff here. You can change the theme, dark theme. In help, you can see the version. This is the version 1.0. About this editor, the simple text editor developed and designed by ADITYA JAIN. Yeah, that's me. Okay, you can create any kind of extension of file using this editor. Click new, write some text, Control S, and let's say a file on the desktop itself. Okay. By default, give the name text file and extension .txt. You can use any extension. Let me use HTML. Save. Okay. On the desktop, you can see a text file showing Chrome icon because it's the default browser. Double click and open it. And you can see hello world. So a very quick and easy installation. Thank you.